Hi guys, welcome back to another Kdenlive tutorial. Today we're going to be adding a fade effect between videos. So I'm just going to drag a couple videos into the project bin. These will be any random videos. So I'll show you what we're talking about. I'll just add one video here, add another video here. Let's put them up to each other. Okay, now at the end of the video, it's just two random videos. You see how it snaps to the next video. What I want to do is I want to fade out to black and fade from the black. So what we're going to do is we're going to go under here, just above GPU effects, you see fade. We're going to click that, and then we're going to go fade to black. This would be on the first video because it's going to fade to black. I'm going to make that 1 second. Now if we play this, hopefully this works, because this is the third time I had to make this because it keeps crashing because I'm trying to record and do this at the same time. So let's just play that. You see it fades out and then it just snaps into the next video. So we want to smoothen that up by fading from black. So we're going to add that to our second video, and we're going to make this 1 second, so it'll be a total duration of 2 seconds. Let's just play that, and that looks a lot smoother. Now if you want to do something like at the end of the video where instead of just cutting off, just boom, like that, cuts off, we're going to fade to black on this video. And we'll put that at like 2 seconds. So now when we come and we play this, let's just go back a little bit. You see how it gradually fades out rather than just cuts off. Thanks for watching. If you need any help, please leave a comment. See you guys later, and please hit that subscribe button and like. So far we have 182 subscribers. See ya.